For you see the face, you know it's one dumping man. I understand. Don't know I come out with a new movie named Cold Street Part 1. Yeah man, they don't know a new movie on the platform. So big up everybody who watch out the movie. I understand it in a real life. So what you know, want to subscribe, share, and like, and touch the notification bell. Bing! Tell a friend in a real life. You see me? So big up people who all that check in. But you know, big up VM Film. Big up Public Report Official. You see me? In a real life. Big up Marika Films. You see me? Big up Pinky Films. Big up everybody who do the right thing. What's up, bro? What's up? What? What's up?
There.
Long time don't see you.
Brother.
Yeah, man, I'm fresh and back in the country now, you know.
Realize, say what you mean, ask me, say no reach back here, that boy like you.
Yeah, man, me there for the ice, you know. Yeah, man, just come back fresh and things. So, what's going on?
Like, you look, my friend, you say, I feel this.
I mean, man, I feel me just, I don't know what thing go do. Yeah, man, fresh. So, I feel your place this.
Yeah, man, you know, say I feel my place, but you want some like renovation do. See all them, all done now, so I there look for and I say, you know.
Boy, I tell you. Yo, I saw Nally for Jamaica. What you mean? Jesus Christ. Ready if you come back Friday, you know. You just want a big bus, bad man, take up a whole out and carry to America, bad man, go live some life, brother.
Yeah, man.
Over there's a real place, brother. You just have a look. Ain't big gold chain, feel the gold chain, brother, feel it. Just feel it heavy.
Yeah, man, it's heavy for you.
I want to drop 45 carat gold, listen up.
Yeah.
Yo, you don't even know. So, where you go?
Yeah.
Where you look, sir?
Oh.
Man, you take off weight like you're stressed.
Jamaica a long time, my friend. I think you don't see me how long, you know.
That is it, my bro, man.
How long, for you.
That day, see me come give you a check, you know.
Yeah, man, you say you want to carry wash?
What you mean, man? Start to pump and get a wash up, I don't know. Yeah, man. So really that far back up, so
That makes sense more, then you know rain go fast.
Just wash it off, man. Just wash it off. You know what, piece of money? Wash it off.
No, say me work and then go and do I want to look out.
Jesus Christ, Father. What tell me say?
No, me never just go do this right now. Never just did, my friend. I may tell you say them may wait for to and mid the place, you know.
Alright, watch it now. Jump in here. Watch it, bro. Go for the other side.
Oh. Oh.
Good.
I want to talk to you about something.
Talk to me, baby, with our ears.
I'm busy now.
Busy?
Yeah, I'm busy right now. And basically, when I talk about right now, I want to hear this up your small. We have no location, so you don't know when you can be.
Yeah, man, you can do it, man. I've never class in that person. I'm in lack of space, I don't know anything around, right? So just keep it close. So just wish what you want to do, you can do that over here, it's like that. Right, you want to do now?
Yeah,
You sure? So we can do it. So one week I get yeah. You're not going to work tonight.
No, I'm not going to work.
Run it, man.
I'm not working, I'm just running. So I don't get like 2 girls or 3 girls. I'm going in for like 1 year and 1 clothes and 1 year. One place one thing I do this one time. So anyway, I also one man here, one other man here. So I just come here free right now.
So man, so we can operate 3 stations. You know, 3 cheers. About 45,000 to 1 cheer. Sure. So we say 9 minutes of 135. Alright, you want?
Yeah, I did the first now. So
about 500,000
500,000 for myself.
I'm with that. I'm on the proof. What things are going on?
Some of them to come out and make so much easier.
Sure, you are one. So I read a far and read that. Time is much. You know, really, I'm on our right now, so that it needs to be. Make understand that.
What's up, bro?
Ricky!
Yeah, man, I'm here, bro. What's going on? I'm here.
You don't know, so we are like that days now.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I understand. But things can already change, you know. Not really that what it's like first time again. Because we have the permanent president overseas at the time. You know, I do the wife and you know, a couple of PR and the business. So I'm not really telling people, you know, more. You see me? Yeah, man. And I know it's good to be back in Jamaica. It was my country. Jamaica is happening, man. You know, we come here for me.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You don't worry about the body. You're done like this. We do that kind of this. So, when I tell you a story about the fact that you change, you have to worry about that. Because, you know, I mean, I would have raised it.
Yeah, man.
Take a time and second up, man. Welcome back, man. Every man thing, though. See, yeah, man, stop this, man.
Yeah, what's up?
What's up? Yo, that's a damn. See? Alright. So far. See?
Yeah, man.
Pick up a selfie. Welcome back.
Yeah, man.
Alright, man. Yeah, man. You are, man. Fine, welcome. What's up? Wait that. What is it? Don't spill it. Don't spill it, brother. See? Alright.
secret. You know, I don't like how fear boss are going. I don't like how I'm going, you know.
I go on, how you say to you?
I don't like how my approach me certain way and I say, yo, I'm responsible for certain thing. You know, I'm teaching my life. I can't bother them things that I can go back to them the road there.
No, they ain't ready for you.
You get me? So me I ask you, you know the badness?
What kind of badness you talk about, Ricky, my youth? What kind of badness me for you know?
James, we are come from foreign.
And that me I try to show you. So what kind of badness? You know, say me is not me I know a bad type of person. You know that to bad man. You ask me say. The boss will say you want to give me a reason one night time. Me don't know when you want reason with me for you.
And he said he want to see me too. So me have a lot of things to do. You get me? So
you know them way. Alright, watch out. Just come up on my block. Come up on my side. And then you're going to mad up for your thing. You see me?
No.
Yeah.
Where you going back?
May I go away when I feel so good and plus then closer. More have to wash them and get some fresh shower. I'm preparing some.
Sure.
So what are you looking like? No man be, you go too hard, you know.
I figure say me and you do it.
You go too hard. You must make me a drink some, you know. Me a drink some. Me now get it strong.
So you're running.
You ready, sir?
So let's get a bit now.
Hmm?
So let's talk to you for a second. Things are get serious now, you know, baby. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, my investment now, I'd love to see my investment reach to the full true potential. You get what I say? Where you go? Yeah, I bet you, I bet you.
I don't feel so good, man. I don't know what happened to me.
Maybe,
Continue.
maybe you could join a Tell say, yo.
I could do it now, my belly.
I mean, so my belly feel
So, many times I'm ready for no picnic.
I know when you're ready. And when me ready, all that.
So, what you do?
Yeah, when you're
What
ready.
you do?
No worry what I'm do.
You do something.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, I need to go wash them clothes before.
Same time.
Yeah.
I should fall back in the night, yeah? Cause, well, the thing is, I have a little visit to the virgin to come page me.
You tell
Yeah,
my
good
to come
times.
page I want woman. I don't trust you, no. I don't trust you.
You know, something.
I have a great mind stay and I'm going to wash nothing.
You know, so we know the something, right? The jealousy business, right? So that's cool.
Your school out.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, later.
Come here.
The jealousy business.
You're dropping cigarette. You want that?
Done.
Love you, baby. Bossy. Knock the door and come in that place, brother. Suppose my man is sitting in that place and naked. Yo, knock it more, bro. Charge your forward back, but we need some things for the ends.
Yeah, man.
We need some raw cash right now. I want to talk some certain things. What? Me not up to, but me have to go and like say all this way.
Mm.
You understand me I say?
Mm.
So you know, you have to seek out any way you can get some funds out there. That boy come from far and I'm going to like say things not go on. So try your best, see if you can work a way to know when money there, how much money you have, what you plan to do, and all them something there. You understand?
Yeah,
It's not an informal work, you know.
No man, you're mad man, them buy no. But say you're grown with them my father, so I have to work on dialogue.
That is it. You want a drink?
Then take one yes, bossy. Why not? Wake up there.
Go ahead, sir. Help yourself. Yeah man, so you don't know say.
Boy buy brand new Suzuki.
I'm gonna see what, you know. But like when you know youths them are rise,
Yeah, me never said that. But watch out now. If you rise, you would them too.
yeah, that is it. You learn man. You learn. You know what I mean? So I could know exactly what I'm going to buy. At such time. I know some time wasted can never be redeemed, right?
By such time, what do you mean by such time?
Make him know. I'll nice up on him. See? Big man, one big. Like that.
Ricky! Bob James. I'm here. See that plan. So what's the plan? What's the code? I'm saying I really have one go check you and show you one radio. Yeah? So what's the three? I'm saying I really have to. You say I beg me, I beg you now. Borrow me, not even beg you. Look me, I look for you. That's how far I come from. Yeah, but listen. Yes. Yeah, wash me up one day. Yes. I'll point to the other and say, but you want to refurnish certain. Because same pre when we come to me and tell us a place like a weird place look shaky, you know. So, anyways, so you say you plan that, you know, idea, you know, that's it. So James, what I was saying to you, yeah, I got money, you know, but see money what I have, I've maintained myself. You understand? Yes, I don't got a whole lot of money, but the money when I have to just do some of the things when I have to catch to do. You understand? What find it hard, you know? It's very hard over there. You get me? So right now I work against the law and I feel good I work against the law because the job is worth it. You see me? Because the law don't know what the job they want me to do. You get me? So me have to do the right thing. I want to keep the service, man. I don't want to keep it wide away. So, the money they want me have, you know, have to serve me to look back foreign. Yes. I don't want to remember. Alright, watch out. That's circle road, see me. Yeah, man, Anglia thing, you know, we got to do, you know, bro. You understand? Yeah, man, good old friend from a long time. One James, you know, man. You don't know. Big up yourself, bro. Make a hard trip. Can't believe it, boy, Ricky, you know, can't believe it, man. Really come back a yard and go like, you know, want to spend no money, you know, right now, boss, you want some something foot, you know. Check about that. God, boss, you make it boss, you know, the boy, Ricky, are going with car, right now, you even like how you know, move to, you know, I'm skingy. Bossy, I'll go on. I don't know, so I check your boy as well, tell me for that. Like that boy come like he don't want to let go. Tell me boy he have more money for serve him for he time in there in Jamaica. Yeah man. Yeah man. I said 40 man. No me I got the man. Alright bossy. Anything else man? Alright. Look come on. You check it.
Reckon. Link me up down the place. Down the beach, you know what I mean? Down the... Yeah man, right there son, yeah man. Down the boat them there. Yeah? Right now. Flip the screen.
This man is coming at you. I'm telling you the truth.
On time.
You know me, I look same, I wonder when they
On time. Punctuality. That's
right.
One thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah man, I know what you mean man.
How things?
Well, things is great and I have life, you know what I mean?
Life is the greatest, man. Give thanks for life. You know what I mean?
Sure.
What do you say still? You know, so I mean like a place. I've done that here. See it? But you want some strap to block out certain things. The whole things them have to give away. You know what I mean? Be a spirit upon them. So we have to say, yo, ease off. So we want to invest in some new stuff. So you say, we want some funds. When we finish, we want some funds to do with it. So you say, how much you can start out?
Well, as I say, you know, I say I just turned 20 and I just moved back into the place. You understand? I don't really have that amount of money to give.
What
to buy strap.
What do you mean?
Come on, bro. What you talking about?
What do you mean about that saying I have no money for do that? Brother,
the money when me
where you come from?
Bro, the money what I got to support myself, bro. I
So you buy a car, G. Huh?
See,
you have to go sell the car then for some of the kids. But you listen to me, sir. You want to stay alive? Decide what you do. Because I tell you right now, sir. One phone call and everything wipe out. Not even by me right now. Because I have eyes nice. Eyes nice. Tree.
So this is friendship turn to?
And a friendship. A business.
But then I understand some change. Maybe a Jamaican I do a bag of things to not rap people, not do this, not do that. Change,
what
bro.
you saying about? What you saying about rap people? What you talking about? Eh? Careful of the words you speak. That's it can be the last words you speak. You understand me I say? Let me get it.
I'm stay foreign. Jamaica is not a good place. I teach how to drive. So I send by the car and I don't know for this stuff.
I know that I want to talk about.
Yeah, sir.
What I want to talk about is you come to Jamaica and all know me not see you. Me the last person to see you. And when you overseas, me the phone 24/7, 45/8. And night time me show you sexy lingerie them and something. When now you come to Jamaica, me can't see you. What kind of style that, Ricky?
That's what I'm saying now. Babes, I know I got a lot of things doing, you know. Sometimes I'm busy. So right now I'm extra busy.
You're that busy that you can't see a woman?
Well, sometimes too I'm busy, but not have time for me. You know, I love her, you know.
You know, say you love me, but you're supposed to reach on my foot. Me not like this style of the man.
I understand what you're saying, but you should remember said when I was over foreign, we was getting company late in the night.
Yeah, but you're in Jamaica now, so I'm supposed to still get a company.
I know what he's talking about, yeah? But remember I got a lot of things doing in Jamaica here. So right now I'm very busy, you know.
So you're busy, that's you know, I'm trying to get one in a piece of one look loving and
I
a
know.
piece of one look touch. Eh?
Yes, I know you need to go tender touch, you know, I know that, but right now things are getting sticky right now and some things are going on I don't really like.
Alright, if things are going to be like
Me not talk with me and you know. Before back in Jamaica and some things when me are here and me can't really tell you everything.
but me and your woman, you not hide nothing from me. So as I come to Jamaica, you start keep secret from me. Oh, so your friend them can't go get next girl.
No, I don't got next girl what's talking about, man. No
Ricky,
next girl.
Ricky, me not like how you're moving on, Ricky. Ricky, you get touch for you come to Jamaica?
What kind of touch? I don't. What you talking about? I only touch what you talking about. Touch woman.
You know what
Oh, I know what you're talking about. What you talking about the white lady? No, I don't take those
I
things.
mean not talk about that. Where you gone?
What you talking about? What if I get any woman? No, I don't got any woman. So I don't know what you're talking about. I don't bust no little piece of road, no corner. You hear me, Uncle?
Anything you say now, because some of bring for me also.
Well, I don't really bring up from Jamaica, I know. Just bring me too long on them and pose them. And I look at the money for so hold me out till me back America. I'm soon fly out back in them. I'm not stay here too long because things are going right now. I have to understand that they want to try to set me for something. You know what I want?
Nobody no want to set up a baby, but you think that.
I just not even know what I want still.
Then me know what I want, you hide things from me already.
I can't really make you know what I want. Right now I'm going to leave my friend and so I want.
Alright,
So me-
so you come back to look for me later?
Yeah man, I'm going to do that. But
Alright, so give
I
me a
can't-
hug, man. Alright, later, yeah.
Alright, same to you.
Love you, yeah, baby.
Yeah man, love you too. Be safe. What about James?
Yeah, I know.
Everything I want. Differently.
What one?
You know, say, right now, Dan page me, you know.
What must say? What must say?
Dan page me and say, you want some new things. Right now, he's planting things, saying, you want a piece of food right
So
now.
what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Brother.
James, as
listen me now. Better them down way, you know, my friend. Not real life, you know. Not real life, my friend. Better them down because what you know? We can't make because of so loose man make we lose with 3 points, you know, my friend. So better them.
I can't understand James. Me just flying.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And you, they are Jamaica. I do what you do and me, they are friend, I do me, I do. And I this year I can't tell me, say.
No, brother, but watch
I know you may attack, I boss me attack when say my done 50 areas, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
You no response about that.
No, brother, but what you man, we have to do what we have to do, my friend.
So you know what
so
I
me
want?
ask you one question. So you ready a man come kill me know one link right now, bad man.
Which link?
If 100,000 they have me can get it for 80 right now, my dog.
So I know we're gonna do something, we're gonna need some new machine right now, cause me nah make him run take on 3 points, you know, brother. Me nah hear that, you know. You see me? Cannot even know my feel, bro. Not want to come back to Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
To be honest, you know. For them I think I
So where done really set you?
the done set, right? From boy I plan to go in and go need some new strap. You understand? I mean I tell the dancer, yo, me not in them thing there again. The man start load up for my brother go on some weight. So me say it's a broke bad man that. It's a broke done. Cheap done.
So you see how we do?
Yeah man, go link man right now. But we need it, you know. Forward, bro. know, say boy take a bait. Yeah man, he take a bait, you know. Right now, I'm telling him, say, oh, you know, I think we at 80,000 for strap. So what you know? You want 2 strap. Yeah man, you want 2 strap, because you know. You see, as he let off the money, I want a few boy them collecting money same here. As he let off the money also, bossing head and care back the gun foot. You know, say nice circle about the same thing.
Let me tell you something. Make sure say when a bossy check in, make sure you not breathe. You hear me say? I know sometimes on the rum and the weed, you know.
Bossy,
you will feel like all this.
Bossy, you see from me, I calm my brain, bossy.
And I say it now calm your brain, you know. But just understand, say, business a business. And we done past stage 1. So we're on to stage few. You got the clue?
Bossy. So no. I'm buying a bossy. The award me good no bossy, because I watch me do right in the bossy.
I get your reward, man. Don't worry about it. All this right. See?
Alright, boss.
Do right.
You keep the post it. Come on.
Right there, sir.
And from anything where Squinner can help you with, me can't help you with that because I'm my man. That.
So you know you
I
can't
know
help.
everything.
Where you know you can't help? Where you can't help?
Brother, what you want?
You know where you work, where Squinner tell about? What you got? What you got? What you got?
Everything.
What you got?
M16 magazine. What you want?
Where you see her? Where you see her?
You said M16 magazine, me have the toughest.
So what is the price?
Depends on what you want. That's what I say. You not for talk what you want for it. You can know.
You don't go to a birthday in there?
Yeah, man.
It's so like I feel you want to feel me, you know.
Look, you know, step inside and have a conversation. What do you know?
You have to look at business here and my friend, yeah, so. Let me show you.
Show me that.
You check them out, yeah? You check out everything.
Everything with the man. What do you
Yeah,
know?
like I say, you know how we check the thing, we go to check it good, my friend.
You tell me like some days, like a bit not yet.
Yeah, man, you have to, man, you want everything.
That will cost me 350.
Everything you have to do, my friend. I don't know what that's. That's so expensive. 250.
Where you bring come from? You know, that's not expensive.
That shit. Don't want extra quick. Come on.
Alright, nice doing business with you.
We link them up.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna send to you, yeah? I'm a good deal.
Man, big up for yourself.
James, I want to carry the box. Ready?
So this is a what's happening because they're Korean, full man. tell them to lock it.
I'm expecting if you come so we are talking about.
Still lock it.
Eh? Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, ready. So good? Oh, so like, you know, watch it now.
B. So, me can't get the money for this on here now.
What time now?
I know I hear on this now.
What time now?
After 5.
Wait for man.
B, me end up see some more dirty clothes and me wash them and me wait for them to dry. So me there me yard what me supposed to do.
From mine.
Where the pen?
Alright, let me tell you this. You see if you go on that way, you prove to me so you're not my number one. You know? I remember so me tell you there was options. You remember me tell you that? Huh? Answer my question.
Yeah, remember.
Yeah. So you have to make me know where I've gone from a long time because, you know, Kerry linked me up and say rope straps. So if you go flex like this, that means you fall off.
But, there is a but.
But what?
You do remember when me tell her say, me are the only girl I get when I'm afraid of you. Continue talk.
Further. This now I'm going to fear them more. You understand what I say? This is called security. Because you can flip your mouth and flip your beak like a bad. But we don't know what, you know, how things work right here. So. You understand? I want to forget to understand. One of the most active organ for a woman is the tongue. I want to know that. So, you know, really, I will beat your bad for your tongue right now.
Then listen. If you have enough options out there, if you may stop you, me never stop a man yet. So go on. You can go through the door. Me I hold it down. Eh? Me I hold it down. Eh? Hey, listen to me. Nobody with your foolishness, you know. Nobody with your foolishness be. You have the money or you don't have it. Which one?
Now we are talking. You know we are talking together. I don't know we are talking. You know we are dealing.
No.
You think a jungle the road I deal with? Eh? You think a jungle the road I deal with? Talk to me and talk to me clear. You think a jungle the road I deal with? Watch it, yeah?
Let me go.
Watch it, you hear me say?
Let me go. Let me go. You don't have no sense. You're mad. You're mad. Let me go.
What up? Yo, when I beat man, don't, hey, you hear me? Relax yourself.
Relax yourself. What you do? You got some papa you decide deal with. No fear yourself and don't play with me.
Go through the door.
You hear me? I tell you don't play with me. Yes, I'm a left.
Go through the door.
You can't do nothing for me.
Go through the
Me
door.
go left.
Go through my door right now.
I'm not move.
You need to say that move.
I'm not move.
Yeah, move. Go move.
Stupid. Ramp with me, I'm wet you up. Rubbish. Come drink out of the manga. I say don't send money in my account already, so I don't care about you. Dirty Rasta man. Dirty Rasta man.
Yeah.
What you do?
Me bust a shot for you. Eh? Me bust a shot for you. Go round so go sit down. You see a bad girl? Eh? Talk now, no? Talk now, no?
I'm not afraid of
I
you.
make you missing.
I'm not afraid of you.
Where else, son? You know, I'm not want to do that. You know, you really want.
Let me go.
Lay
Let me
down.
go.
Mommy, I know what just happened.
What do you mean what just happened?
Mommy, barely come my yard, come take away stove and the machine and the sitting them in our house. And you up here so with man well comfortable and left me one down there. Me want to stay down there, cannot even no TV no down there. No. So me want to stay down there.
Little girl, back come tell me about up here so with the man. What you mean mama up here so with man and you not stay down there? Look here now. How much money courts want for the something them? Because what a good thing, so I'm up here today. Because if I never up here, I'm only get one sale. The man that take the money and tell me say nothing now go on. So I gotta make me up here.
Me don't know how much money. You have to go good on a court, go find out how much money. Me never ask them. Then just come and say, they ask you, I tell them say not there and then say they have to take your things and go. So I just tell them say, alright then do what I have to do cause me can't fight the people them. I feed them goods and I you take out and you not pay.
So why you never call me?
Oh, me go because me not have no credit.
You're a big woman, you know what you have in here and you tell me about you not have no credit.
Oh,
you buy this? Oh, you buy this?
Normal sitting this a woman.
Normal sitting, so not pay fees?
No, me just go borrow a man to me and then just buy me a drink.
Me warn you about that something there, you know. Me warn you about that something there. You know much people them do that? And them not leave to tell the tears. Is let them breach of some other foreign country call them spike the drink and sell them.
Mama, me
Stop
say
it.
the bartender shirt the juice. Don't do that.
You have a right to call juice, because you drink it like a juice. So you have a right to call it juice. Stop the something there.
So you say make a money today?
Yeah, me make a money today. So in the morning, me go down there pay and get back the something. Where the command we have there?
Me no want to talk to no man. You me talk to you. My mother me come to you and talk to you. Talk to my woman.
Because you're a big woman. You're like you're a baby.
Me not gonna like me a baby. My mother I know me so anytime I come to you and ask for anything, you must give it to me. Because remember say you go trouble me, you know. No, trouble you.
So hold on, you got tell me say I'm me go trouble you. But yet still me take care of you till you reach this age. You go school, you have way for having your head and I say you want to live your life, America.
You still fi take care of me, mommy. Me you wanna only pick me and I tell you not pick me. So you're supposed to take care of me I'm not saying.
Obviously, even if I tell you when what age group my mother start take care of me.
That's your mother. You are you. You're your mother different, mommy.
Marika, you need to go. Is that you go make up your mind and you go to college or you go look at work? Which one? What you want? You just have 10 subjects and sit down and not do nothing? Just watch what you take up. You find Kelly's friend. Every day you have Kelly's friend at a bar. You drink. What really wrong with you?
I'm normal pray that mommy. Me just take a break from college. Next time I go to college, I just want 1 year break.
Oh.
Yeah, enjoy myself and so. You know, so when time I go to college next year, next 4 years, me still there at college and can't done college. Me have to enjoy myself 1 year first, then me go think about that, mommy.
I encourage you, stop this way you do. This is not fit your persona. This is not for you.
Yes.
But don't want to see it. Where you get them style from America? It's not you know if your grandmother is ever there.
Well, she not there that I heard this thing. Well, my soul is singing.
You need to
So
like with them.
okay.
You don't take them here now when you want something.
Remember, say people then come take out to set them out and house. So you have to go good on at 5 o'clock. Now, make no sense. You have to go good on the earlier man, make them bring back his stuff for them.
May I go down the earlier man go pay the money and
So
then
they
bring
have
the
come
stuff
home
back.
with the earlier man yard.
Lord, me must stay my man yard. Can me comfortable my man yard. I mean, I have no stress and no problem. One lifetime movie me watch. Look, you know, you're a big girl. Don't get the money and make you go and about your business. I want. No, I don't want to eat them about all this. I don't come back to no more.
I put something more on the man.
Pay for you get furniture tomorrow. You get stove, you get washing machine. And the TV will crack me come back. I don't know when I must have gone on about with them people and friend them. I feel busy if you want to go do it. She can't always go on with him because I mean, your son, she can't come here so. And that's how I great this. You take care of yourself. And stop the drinking, my girl.
Next year when we got
God, I don't know what I can do this girl. What kind of lifestyle did you pick up, man? Open up my door.
Hello? Yeah, man. Alright, right on. My fault. Go for my shirt, man.
Be where go?
Yeah, my fault.
Where they go? Hold that.
One, you go for my shirt, no, man.
Be.
One to you. Where you want?
Sure. Hold that. Where they go?
I'm sorry for my permission. It's no fun. Yeah, you know? So far, relax a lot. Money mission, business mission. You want a business? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
Me and everybody just jump up.
yeah, got phone ring.
Get.
Your phone
Please
don't
stop me.
Stop door. I think business is business.
Please stop now.
Come on, man. Wait, I want more you want?
Alright.
More you want? I'm come and start you, man. What you say?
Start with the money part first.
You know that? This one can want. You know that?
Oh, I love you.
I love you
I'm
today.
going to say you're coming back safe. One, two,
No,
four.
I
Let me all lock you back. That's what me know when girl go in up. You think I got this thing. What?
I'm ready right now. I don't really want to give it this bugging, you know. But
Me buggy, you know, everybody to see pain and
okay, I understand.
see where we are dealing with.
I get it.
Go on, me forward.
Alright.
Yo, everything leave my bag how it is, because I don't want to go on there and get things going on.
Also, everything man, ready, you know, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let me talk to you.